Oh, whoa. Wow. No words.
All right, we're here. Okay, so we have a special guest. You're a singer, a martial artist. What else do you do? You're a dancer?
I'm Alexandra Almendarez, actress, singer, salsa dancer, and I'm excited for my first session.
Perfect. And tell us some history, because we're gonna work on everything today.
Yeah, so I've been dancing on and off for 10 years, singing for over 20 years, and I work in food service, so I'm always on my feet, so I'm looking to relieve some tension that I have.
Okay, perfect. So, and then you had a cooling sensation back here too, right?
Yes, yeah. I think whenever I turn my head a little too quickly, I feel like a cooling sensation. I just kind of want to explore that and see what that's all about. And yeah.
Okay, we're going in. All right, so we got your posture photos. So one of the main things is we gotta correct your posture. We're gonna put her on blast. She actually looks like this, everybody.
And I thought I had good posture. Right? Awful posture.
But she's gonna transform, so we all know that's gonna happen. She's gonna get her posture back. Okay, so I'm just gonna check some things, and you have some tension over here. There's a lot of trigger points. And then let's have you turn your head to the left. Does it feel okay?
Yeah.
Turn to the right. And you have some good range of motion. Is there any discomfort?
No.
Okay, and then look forward. And I'm just gonna push it down your head. Any pain?
No.
Okay, and I'm gonna go like this, tilt your head back. Any pain?
Just pressure.
A little bit of pressure, and you go forward. Any pain?
No.
Okay, so it seems like one of the main things is your posture, and then we gotta check your past history we were talking about earlier with the head trauma and stuff. Okay, so let's see how your body's working. So straighten out your arm like this, and then push up as hard as you can. All right, that's all you got, huh?
Oh, man.
I'm just putting her on blast the whole video. I'm just gonna push her over here. Okay, so don't worry. This is not really a strength test. It's just testing if it's stabilizing or not. Because your body's worn out. Because you work as a waitress and you do a million things. She sings, she dances. What else is on the list? Okay, so let's have you land your back face up.
Okay.
This is her first time, so let's see what's going on.
Am I on the wrong side?
Oh, you're on the right side. You're the first person who actually on the right part of the table. Everyone puts their head over here.
Okay.
All right, she's in for her first adjustment, so we're going in. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, reach over here. So we're gonna adjust your ribs. Okay, so take a deep breath, let it out.
Whoa. Wow.
It's melting off the table.
I don't want to move.
And you feel okay?
Yeah, I feel good.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then let's put your arm over here. And then reach over here.
Whoa.
Wow.
Wow. Wow.
She has a lot of tension in there.
Wow.
Feel good so far?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. She's high right now.
Yeah.
Okay. Before she came in. I'm just kidding.
No. I don't
Okay.
do that.
So come on up.
Okay.
She doesn't do that, everybody.
No, I don't do that.
Okay, so face me over here. So face me over here. Just one thing clear. Okay. Okay, straighten out this arm, and then push up as hard as you can. You notice there's power. Push up this. Let's check over here. Push up. You notice there's more power. It used to just fall down.
Yeah.
So straighten this arm out, and then don't try to bend it. Okay. Push up. So strong, and I just turn it off. And then push up here, strong, turn it off. So I can just stimulate the attachment and it'll just turn off.
Okay.
So I'm gonna explain what's going on and we're gonna go all out, okay?
Okay.
Because you can't be confused when you're healing. Okay, you've probably seen this before. This is your spine. You got your neck, your mid back and your low back. And you're supposed to have this curve in your neck like that. So what happens is, your brain's up here and it recovers you daily through nerve impulses. So your brain's constantly recovering your body through nerves. It recovers all your muscles, organs, and tissue. But what happens is when you grow up, you get hit in the head with a coconut, you sit down too much, you dance a lot, your body gets worn out. So you start losing your posture. So if you sit down, you're looking down at your phone, this is common, and then you get misaligned. And having trauma throughout your body gets you out of alignment. So you get all this muscle spasms. So this is kind of like how we all end up. That's why we're all suffering right now. So what happens is, when you have all these traumas from the past, your body glues together scar tissue. That's why we get glued together like this. So scar tissue glues you together. What happens is when there's too much scar tissue buildup, it covers the nerves. These aren't getting crushed, because if they were, you'd be getting sensation down your arms and legs. So what happens when there's too much scar tissue, it lowers this nerve conduction back to the brain. It's just like an electrical wire when it's shooting electrical impulses. So when it's covered, your brain starts healing you really slow because there's interference in these nerves now. So your brain warns you with pain, discomfort, headaches, your arms and legs don't stabilize that well. So your body's not connected, and that's why you're getting weaker and you have these annoying symptoms. So remember I just leaned on your shoulder and it cracked?
Yeah.
When you get adjusted, it actually tears up the scar tissue and it makes the nerves work better. So that's why you instantly got power back. So we're gonna do this with your whole entire body, okay? All right, now we're gonna get into it. She needs education now.
Yes, ready.
All right, so lay on your back face up. All right, she's a dancer, so we gotta give her the full tune up.
Yep.
So bring a straight leg up over here, straight leg, and then push up right here. It's not working. She is doing too much talents. Push up here. See, it's weak. Then straight out this arm, push up. So it's strong, but these need a tune up. So we're gonna adjust your ankles. Whoa. These are really stuck. These dancers' legs.
Whoa.
Whew. How's she walking?
Oh my God.
She deserved that, she's a dancer. Okay, so bring a straight leg up over here, and then push up right here. It's easier now,
Whoa.
right? Push up right here. Much better.
Whoa.
And I'm leaning into it more so you can kind of feel it. So just know that when you overuse your body, your joints glue together. That's why we're so tense. And that's what breaks down the joints. You get arthritis and degeneration if there's no fluid nutrition in the joint. When it's glued, it gets dry. Okay. So there's a lot of emotions in here. Straighten this out. I'm gonna touch right here, push up. This arm, push up. It just turns off, you notice?
Yeah.
So your adrenals are overworking, it seems. So it might be doing a lot. And then straighten this arm out, push up right here. And then up here, it turns off.
Whoa.
So this is a stress test.
Okay.
So your body perceives everything, your brain. But when I touch something that's inflamed or out of alignment, it will just turn off any muscle test. So straighten out this arm. So push up right here, strong, and then weak, you know?
What is happening?
It's magic.
Okay.
So we're gonna use this test to kind of figure out what's causing everything. So we're gonna do a blood compression test. So we're gonna just have you go like this. This is gonna check your vessels, and then straighten out this arm, and then push up. It's just dead weak. So just wait a little bit. So we're gonna see how your body feels in a little bit when your blood flow comes back.
Okay.
Straighten this arm out, and do not bend this elbow, straighten out, push up. So strong, and then when you do this, it gets weak, so try it again. And then straighten out this arm all the way, push up, and it just turns off.
Every time I'm surprised.
Just be surprised the whole visit.
Yeah.
So, so far it seems like you're getting a lack of blood flow, and it could be from your posture. So we need to correct that so you can get more blood flow through your whole body, so you don't get any weird sensations. And we can check for nerve compression. So you're just gonna go like this really fast. Just go like that, and then straighten this out, push up. So that's okay, but when you do this, it gets really weak. Okay, so we're gonna work on one of the main goals is your posture, so you get more blood flow. And you need to take omega-3. That helps with blood flow in the vessels. So straighten out this arm, push up right here. Right there. So straighten out this, hug yourself. All right, she needs a hug. Been a while. Deep breath. Let out. Whoa.
Not surprised at this point. Cracking the whole time.
Okay. She just hasn't had a hug in a while, that's why. And then let's see. So your pelvis feels okay. Actually, it's kind of tight over here. You feel that?
Yeah.
So your psoas muscle is really tight. So that's what's causing your pelvic tilt. I mean, it makes it look like this look that the girls want, but you don't need it too much. So we gotta make sure your pelvis is like this, and then you gotta get the gains on this. Girls are like, wow, I look great. It's actually a posture problem.
And it makes sense because I do that when I salsa dance, because it's not like ballet where it's like all lined up. They want that curve, but there has to be a happy balance because no one, I'm gonna change that.
Okay, so at the end of this, I'm gonna teach you what your easy homework is, and it's gonna help get your posture back. So for here, bring the straight leg up, turn your foot out, and then push up right here. Dead weak, you notice? And that's because this muscle is so tight. This is what pulls your pelvis forward, and it actually deactivates your glutes. So it doesn't make it 100%. When you start releasing this, and you work out your glutes, it will develop your glutes better. So we're gonna release right here. You're gonna breathe. Breathe. And we're just gonna go like this. And let me know if this is too much. This is the secret to a tight low back, is right here. Almost done.
It's fine.
Okay. And then turn your foot out, and then keep this up, push up right here. You notice I barely pressed into it, it got stronger. So if you start releasing it throughout the week, you'll get really good results. Like your back won't be as tight, and you can retrain this like this. And then while you're getting adjusted, the adjustments are gonna remodel your joints. So when you get adjusted, so this is what scar tissue looks like. It's like stuck like this. So massage can't break it up. So when you get adjusted, it tears it, and it starts getting smoother over time. So it just takes time to remodel the tissue. So it's just like working out with weights. Like, you know, when you work out with weights, it tears up muscles and it redevelops it. With the adjustments, it tears up this tissue between all the joints, and it gets smoother, and your posture will change like that.
It's subtle body roll.
Yeah.
Like that.
So you'll be able to get your posture back. You already know how to do that. Okay, so I'm just gonna release this for you because I already know it's tight. So when you release your muscles and then you're getting your joints adjusted, it will correct your posture faster. Okay, breathe. Almost done. Okay, perfect. So we're gonna check your pelvis. So you're just gonna place your hand right here, push up with this arm, over here. Okay, I know it's interesting. Straighten this out, push up right here, and then when you touch right here, it kind of turns off.
Wow.
So that's your pubic bone. So you're just gonna bend your knees, bend both of them, and you're gonna push your knees in as hard as you can. There you go. Woo! She's like, that was weird.
It cracked, but yeah.
So what that does is we open this up. So what happens is when you're dancing a lot or you're sitting a lot, that pubic bone gets glued together and it kind of overlaps each other. So it kind of pulls all the muscles that are attached with it. So we just have to open it up a little bit over time. And then straighten this out. You're gonna press right here, push up. Much stronger, you notice?
Yeah.
So there's a lot of nerves and neurology in the joint. So that's why when you get something adjusted, you get stronger. It's making the nerves work better. So we're gonna have you flip over.
Okay.
All right, we gotta do some construction. Let's see what's going on. Feels okay?
Yeah.
All right, I got the power tools. We gotta get her right. Is that okay right here?
Yeah.
Let me know if it feels like a painful woodpecker. Okay. Sometimes when you're really inflamed, it hurts a lot actually. Okay. So we're just gonna push your ribs down like this. Feel them all move?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're gonna check your pelvis. So your pelvis is kind of like that. So it's making your body tight. So we're gonna adjust your sacrum right here. So face me on this side. All right, here we go. Got your pelvis adjusted, you ready? Okay. And then bend this top leg right here. Okay, come close to right here. Okay. Here we go, right here. Feels okay?
Yeah, that's
okay.
good.
And then face me over here.
Okay.
Okay. Straighten out this bottom leg. Okay, come close to me right here. And we're gonna pull this right here. And you're gonna come close to me. Forward. Yes, perfect. All right. We're gonna just see right here.
A bag of bones.
Yeah, she's a bag of bones. Okay, so let's have you lay down face up.
Okay. Lay down, face up.
Yes. All right, so how are you feeling so far?
Good.
Feeling good?
Yeah.
Okay. And you're saying you have a problem with your sternum?
Yeah. And I noticed in the hallway, I was looking at the mirror, that my shoulders are like that. I'm surprised I never noticed that.
Okay, so we're gonna work on that. She has a shoulder lean.
Yeah.
Clavicles. Okay. Straighten out this arm. Push up right here. Got it. Okay, so just relax. When you dance and sing or have past injuries, your joints can get outlined really easily. You're basically an athlete. So we're gonna just go right here. Feels okay?
Yeah.
So this is a light adjustment for your sternum. It needs minimal movement, so that's why we're using this. I'm not gonna take your heart out.
It's a little pokey, but
Yeah.
it's okay.
Okay, that's good. Okay. Let's straighten out this arm. And then right here, push up. And it's stronger, you notice?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It's painful?
Yeah.
So you have really tight pecs. Okay, so we're just gonna release this. So when you start releasing this, I'm gonna teach you. It's gonna help you get your posture back faster.
Okay.
This usually gets caused if you hunch forward since like school, and then just stays like that until you correct it. So that's why everyone's like, I haven't sat down since high school. I was like, well, you made it from high school. You left with something.
Yeah.
Okay. This is tighter.
Yeah.
Okay. How's it feel? Is it painful?
It was painful. My range of motion is like even less on that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you can feel that your body's more tight on one side.
Mm-hmm.
And then, so you have head trauma. So we're gonna do a neurology test.
Okay.
Seems like your nose is like, it's kind of clogged on one side, it looks like. Let's see. Do you have any breathing issues or anything?
My nose is stuffy right now.
Stuffy?
But, I mean, it's just allergies.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, so I think.
We can check real quick. So I can just touch right here, push up as hard as you can. Just turns off. Just turns off. So you have kind of pressure in your nose. We'll do a non-invasive adjustment for it.
Okay.
And then if it's really stuck, later in the future, you can get the balloon treatment if you want.
Okay. Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah. So that's great for sinus or your nose is blocked, or if you have past concussion.
Okay.
Any force will make this glue together.
Okay.
And then look over here with your eyes. Push up. Over here. Over here. Strong. And that's a little bit weak, you notice? So that's a brain test. It tests your balance.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna adjust that a little bit. And for your nose, let's see.
I am nearsighted. I don't know if that has any, I don't know.
That's okay.
I have floaters.
In your eyes?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, don't worry. It's a normal condition.
Yeah, it just happens.
I have it in my eyeball too.
Yeah. Like they never go away. You just forget about them.
Yeah, it's like a creature and like, I guess we'll hang out. So we're gonna use this. Does that feel okay?
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna use it on your nose. This is the first non-invasive treatment, and the next one is the balloon usually.
Okay.
So we're right here. Is that painful?
No.
Okay. And then her nose changes. I'm just kidding.
A whole new nose.
She's like, what are you doing, my nose? Okay, right here. Okay, there you go. So you're gonna see if your nose drains out later. And then we're gonna do this test. Straighten out this arm. Push up right here. Stronger. So let's see if it drains out. There's some patients, they go home, everything falls out of their face. So, because they have sinus built up.
Okay.
But because these are movable joints, believe it or not, that's why like that can help open it up. But if it's really stuck from a concussion, you can consider getting the balloon treatment to actually open it up. Okay, so are you ready for your neck adjustment?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. She's been waiting. Here we go. Right here and right here. Deep breath.
Oh, whoa.
Wow. What was in there?
Wow. No words. Sustain like this.
Yeah. Now she's high. Okay. This one right here, are you ready? Deep breath. Another one, deep breath. Out. Wow.
Scared of myself. Whoa.
Your head went upside down, I think.
Yeah. It just went all the way around. I don't know. Oh my God.
And that was your skull. That's why I had more cracks. So I adjusted up here. So like, this is what I was out of alignment. It was like kind of like that. So that's why I kind of felt kind of different.
Yeah.
I'm actually only pressing this hard. It's just like, that's your cracks.
Whoa.
So remember that test we did with your eyes?
Mm-hmm.
So when you look that way, your balance was off. So straighten this out. Look over here. Push up. Stronger, you notice?
Yeah.
And when this top bone right here gets out of alignment, it kind of can mess with your balance. So if it's going that way, your body kind of shifts that way.
Mm.
So this is going to help you align much better. So you get better coordination over time.
Okay.
All right, so you ever seen the Ystrap before?
Yes.
Are you ready for that?
Yeah.
Okay, she's ready. I knew she needed that.
I'm ready.
Okay, so we're gonna have you come down.
Okay.
Just flies off the table. All right, she's been dying for this. Okay, so this decompresses your spine, okay? So lift your head up. Okay. Here we go. I'm gonna stretch you out. Feels okay? Mm-hmm. Okay, here we go. Take a deep breath. Feel okay?
Yeah.
Where'd you feel it?
I don't know. It just kind of happened fast. Maybe like here.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I don't know.
Did you feel
It's a little
crack?
intimidating, but yeah, it was. I didn't feel like the intense crack that I felt in the other one, but it still felt good.
Okay. You must be like really blocked over here. Let's see. Just relax your neck. Yeah. So you're really stuck, but that's going to give you some benefit. Over time, when your body gets looser, the disc will open up even easier. Okay. So it's actually opening up these right here. Okay. And the first one I don't do it as crazy because you'll get super sore. But next time, I do it a little bit harder and I'll end up opening up your whole spine. Okay. Okay. So your body's getting loose. And then now we're gonna do like an emotional test. Okay. So I'm just gonna say some words and your body your arms will just shut off. So we're gonna use the other arm. So I'm just gonna say some words. I'll just guess it for you and we'll see. Push up as hard as you can. Okay, straighten this out. Generosity, love, courage, kindness, faith, hope, faith.
Whoa, whoa.
So we're gonna see the other arm, we're gonna confirm it. Straighten this out. Love, generosity, faith. Got it.
What is happening? It's a therapy session.
Yeah, we do everything in here.
Faith. Strengthen your faith.
Yeah.
Whoa.
So this is a subconscious emotion. So it could be from the past or right now. So when I say that word faith, it kind of puts you in a fight or flight because maybe your body has a reaction to something that's happening to you. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna meditate on this laser. So we're gonna laser your brain while you're thinking about it. Okay. So come on up. So we're gonna have you sit over here. So what this laser does, it helps reduce inflammation in your brain, promotes blood flow, and helps with cognition, but it helps you get out of fight or flight. You know what fight or flight is?
Yeah.
So let's have you wear these glasses. So anytime you're in fight or flight for way too long, it turns off your immune system and it makes you feel really slow, and you get this tense muscle tone. So we're gonna laser your brain. You won't feel it, well, you might feel energy going into your body. Okay, here we go. So you're gonna close your eyes, and we're gonna stimulate your vagus nerve as well, and that helps you get into rest and digest mode. So what you're gonna do is, you're gonna draw an image of the word faith. Like, understand, like, why did my body turn off when you heard the word faith? And try to link it to something from the past or current, and see why it's making you go in fight or flight. And then once you drew an image of it, you're gonna do positive affirmations, what you love about yourself and what you love about life. When you do that, it reconstructs your brain and helps it recover. When you think toxic thoughts, it actually produces a waste in your brain. So that's why it's not good to do that. Okay, so relax time. And then when this beeps, you're done. Here. Okay, so what did that word faith mean to you? Is it deep or was it confusing?
Makes sense.
Makes sense?
Yeah, I think I've been going through a lot this year.
Yeah.
Even though but I try to keep my faith strong. But it does make sense.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so we're gonna muscle test it. Let's see if it's stimulated enough. Okay. So straighten out this arm and straighten it out a little bit, and then faith. Faith. So it works really good. Faith. I turn it off. Okay, so what you can do for that is, if you write in a journal, you could write that word, and you can just reflect on the first things you think about it, and it creates new pathways in your mind. So that could be a good reflection of that, or you can do a 5-minute meditation and just do exactly what you did for there. And that's gonna help relax that sympathetic tone. You get this hard tone when you are working a lot or you're thinking a lot. And then for your homework, you should get this neck roll on Amazon. She'll send you a link, but it's gonna help correct your head posture. So while you're getting adjusted, we're remodeling your scar tissue, but when you use the neck roll daily, you'll get this posture back much faster, and we'll retake your posture photos, and you can see the comparisons. And then, oh yeah, let's end the visit. So how was your visit so far?
It was great. I cracked, and I didn't think I was gonna crack this much, and I feel like a weight has been lifted. I feel happier, I feel more at ease, really calm, like I could take a nap. But yeah, I feel really good. I'm happy I decided to come.
I'm glad.
Me wind and rain. You're some kind of